channel. First of all, I request you not to forget subscribe, share, comment, like this video. I have published there are about 600 notes from this channel. Today I am going to start another useful knot for you, named by clovehitch. The clovehitch is most useful for plumbers. Masons are like this knot. Small turn, then half circle and comes middle of the ends and pull. I will teach again. Small turn, cross, then my working ends comes middle of the ropes. Lastly, we can take like this clovehitch.